guys, welcome back. I'm going to be showing you how to make fruit water. Where is the frozen fruit? Do I want to do the water first? Or the fruit? Can I do this over the sink?
Go.
Okay, that's good. That's a lot of fruit. It's gonna be good and pretty. Can you help me close this while I hold the camera?
Just fill it up.
Whatever.
Finish your video.
Fill it up.